Hello everybody, so today I am going to be showing you a haul of what I got from Ulta. I also got like some masks and stuff, but I didn't want to wait for that to come in the mail, so I was just like, whatever, I'll do the Ulta haul and what I got. Anyway, so for Christmas I got a gift card, so I was going to show what I got for Christmas, but if you guys want to see what I got for Christmas, I can go ahead and film a video of what I got. It's just gonna be a basic haul, and yeah, I don't know, I feel a little weird about filming what I got for Christmas and stuff. It's just, I don't know. This box of what I picked up from Ulta. So yeah, first I walked in, and then after I went online because I was like, the thing I was really looking for was not in my Ulta, my local Ulta store. And it wasn't in any of the ones near us. It was just like downtown or something, which is fine, but no, that's just too far to be traveling for one palette. So anyway, so I was looking for the Jaclyn palette, which I got, and I'm going to show you at last. So the first thing I got was Real Techniques 2 Miracle Complexion Sponge. 2 Ardell lashes. One is called Ardell Glamour and one is called Ardell Natural. And I got these two on sale. The Glamour was on sale for like $2 and the other one was on sale for like 99 cents, I believe. $1.99, my bad. So yeah, this is what they look like. And they are gorgeous. The Glamour one, I'm just like, whoa. I'm gonna have to definitely like cut down the lash because my eyes are really small, so I'll have to cut the lashes in half. And these are some dramatic Glamour lashes. Look at this. Oh my gosh. And then these are the 116 black, and these are natural, and then the other ones were 111s in black. So if you go by numbers, the Glamour ones are 111s and the naturals are 116s in Ardell. So, and then this one is just natural, and this one even, like I'm looking at this and I'm just like, oh my gosh. Even that one is just like glam, you know. Got another micellar water all-in-one, removes makeup, even matte, waterproof mascara, cleanses, refreshes, no rinse, no harsh rubbing. If you hear my husband in the background, he's playing video games and he's very, very loud. So, excuse him in the background. So I got the micellar cleansing water, all skin types, even sensitive. Got that, and I just use these with my cotton rounds I get from Dollar Tree. Yes, I get my cotton rounds from Dollar Tree because what I got is the Urban Decay De-Slick Oil Control Makeup Setting Spray, and this is just a tester. Like, you know the smaller ones, this is a 30 milliliter, 1.1 fluid ounce. 1.1. So this is the Urban Decay by Scandinavia, and I just wanted to try it out because I'm not sure about, this is my first ever like Urban Decay setting spray, anything high-end setting spray, even though it's not the full size. I wanted to try it out because I'm not sure how these work. I am a very oily girl. I've noticed that I'm even getting oily on my cheeks, and obviously my T-zone and everywhere, so yeah. Very oily, and then I'm just like, okay, maybe it's because of the food I'm eating, I'm not sure. Anyway, so this is the De-Slick, Urban Decay De-Slick. And when you take out the first pump or the first nozzle, it has a second one, and it looks like this, and that's how it sprays. I don't know if you see that. The smell of it smells like the Wet n Wild setting spray, like almost identical. And I cannot stand the Wet n Wild like photo focus setting spray. And this smells exactly like it. I'm just like, why does it smell like that? Like, why doesn't it smell good? So yeah, I'm gonna try it out and let's hope it helps me out. I also have that NYX matte spray, and you guys see me use that plenty of times, but that only helps for a certain amount of hours, and after I'm just oily. So like this. So if I do like this, I will go back and get this in full size. Also got the NYX matte bronzer, color medium, MBB03, and it comes in a box looking like this. Like I said, I'll have all the products listed below in the description box, so check that if you want the prices on anything. I got it like in a packaging like this, and I've already touched it and dipped my finger in it. Anyway, so it looks like this. Sleek packaging. And when you open it, it looks like this. And the color is absolutely perfect, I believe. It has a little bit of a reddish tone in it, but I'm thinking that'll work. If you can see that, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is the swatch. Lord Jesus. Pretty smooth to touch. Doesn't smell like anything. But yeah. And it has a huge mirror, so I cannot be mad at that. Take with me when I travel, you know? Last thing that I got when I walked in is this L'Oreal Skin Expert Pure Clay Mask Detoxifying 3 pure, says 3 pure clays plus charcoal. And supposed to, like, skin looks brighter with a healthy glow. Dirt, dust, pollution are perfectly removed from skin. Skin tone looks more even. Excuse the background. My daughter decided to swing like a monkey on the rod here, so I had to call the apartment complex so they can come fix it. So just excuse that. I know it looks ratchet. I know. I'm so sorry. My daughter decided to break it. So yeah. Anyway. So, skin looks smoother. Skin is clean as it detoxifies. Skin feels as though it can breathe better. And skin is healthy looking and more beautiful. So, this sold me. I was like, yes, I'm getting this. And I've already used this one time. It tells me to leave it on for 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. But I left it on for 30 and my skin felt great. Also, I'm out of breath. Don't know why. Anyway, it looks like this. So you take it out of the package. Has a L'Oreal thing at the top. It looks like this. And it's glass. Like, it feels luxurious. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh. I can't afford, like, high-end skincare stuff, even though I wish I can. And well, the top, there was a top on it, but I don't know if you guys smelled these before, whoever smelled these, but this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I literally, like, if I can have my whole house smell like this, y'all, girl, it smells like a high-end makeup product, but it smells so good. It smells so good. I love it on my face because when I smell it on my face, I'm just like, it smells so good. Anyway, so what I used was my Wet n Wild makeup brush. The one I use for foundation usually, but I don't use it no more for foundation because I got my sponges now. I use this and I just apply it all over my face. I don't have a bigger one, but like I can literally like brush it on. It's perfect, y'all. So I suggest you go get that. It is bomb. It did not break me out. In fact, after I used it, like 2 days after, like I had a horrible, huge pimple like right here. I don't know if you can still see the scarring, but it was huge. I used it and the next day it was like just, it like evaporated or something. I was like, what? And like it helps me out with my acne. Like, hold on, skirt. I'm about to get this again. 1 second, I'll put everything back in the box so I can go put it in my makeup room, aka the closet. And yes, I have those IKEA drawers, so I have all that stuff in there. So what I ordered online, which I was like, okay, you know what, I'm about to get these extra points because I had like, I think I had like 20 bucks in points that I can use to spend in ULTA, which is, by the way, is like, I'm like, what the heck? How much money do I actually spend on ULTA? But Yeah, so that's 20 bucks. And I'm like, girl, I'm about to use these 20 bucks. I'm about to go ahead and put the coupon code in. So I put 2 coupon codes, a $3 off one, as well as like the W points. You get W points back or something like that if you're a platinum member, which I am. Freaking put it on the gift card, and I went ahead and, you know, used them $20 as points, and I got these 2. I got these 2. I got Sleek Highlighting Palette and Solstice. And I got the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm so excited. I'll show y'all Jaclyn Hill palette in a second. I was so excited because I follow Jaclyn Hill. I've been following her for years. And I'm just like, when she came out with that palette, I was like, oh my gosh. Like, I need that in my life. Gotta get it ASAP. So, when she first released it, it was sold out everywhere. So I was like, okay, well, I'm just gonna wait. And I waited, and I got my hands on it. And the packaging is different because it has the names of the colors on the back. So I love that. The people who got the palette in the first place when they first put the shipments out, like the very first palettes out, did not have the names of the palettes. So I was like, that now have the names of the shadows on the palette. Excuse me. Sleek. What is this? This is a Sleek Highlighting Palette Solstice. And so yeah, it's sleek makeup, and I love this. I've never had sleek makeup before, so I'm too excited about this as well. I've already dipped my fingers in here. I looked at it. My daughter got into it a few times. You know how toddlers are. They get into everything. So, she climbed up on the counter because I had to sit on the counter. If you guys watch my vlogs, like, you'll see that I had it sitting on the counter. And she got on the counter, opened the package, and was just swatching my stuff all over her face. She had highlighter all over her face. I was like, oh my gosh. And excuse the fingerprints on it, because the only thing about this packaging is that if you have oily fingers, and I do, because I'm just oily as a person, and my face is oily, my fingers is oily, and then on top of that I use a whole bunch of lotion. So if your fingers are oily, it's gonna get all over this packaging, all over this packaging. So just know that. So yeah, it just looks like this. Sleek makeup, and has in the top left corner Solstice and number 32. And then when you open it, it looks like this. It has a huge mirror, which is perfect because I can see almost half my freaking face. And then when you open it, like when you look down here, it has the 4 colors. And a little brush came with it, but I gave it to my daughter. And then a few are powders, so that's what it looks like. I really hope you got this for, ooh, I think it was on sale. $14 and some change. I will put the price down below, like I said, in the description bar of everything that I got and the prices, okay? On to the last thing that I hauled from ULTA, which is officially probably gonna become my baby, because I'm just like, I needed this in my life. I love makeup. You guys have no idea my obsession with makeup. Anyway, so this is what it looks like on the outside of the box. And then in the back, it was customized by me, and I really hope you guys love it as much as I do. I wanted a range of neutrals and pop colors to accommodate all skin tones. I put my heart and soul into this palette, and I hope my pickiness pays off. XO Jaclyn. So on the back, just has a couple of pictures of her. I mean, well, actually 4 pictures of her. This one posing, this one in the mirror, this one with the palette, and yeah, I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. And Jaclyn Hill as a person is absolutely gorgeous. She's just, I don't know. I love her personality. She's hilarious. She has this type of I don't care type of vibe about herself, and I really love that. We're up like this, and we take it out. It's white packaging, so I am afraid I might dirty this up, but at least I'll have this video look back on to see what it looked like when it was not dirty. Anyway, so it's kind of in this silver writing here. It has Morphe at the bottom, of course. And on the back, it has 35 Dream Colors, and has all the colors, all the shade ranges. I really think that she really outdid herself with this palette, because she gave you so much matte shades. as well as these pop of colors here with the neutrals. It looks like this, and inside it says this palette is dedicated to all my loving subscribers. XO Jaclyn. So that's what it looks like, and I'm gonna remove the paper. And you guys get a load of those colors. I'm gonna see if I can get the lighting perfect here. Yo, look at these colors. Gorgeous. And on top of that, the palette is like my whole face. I love these neutral shades up here. The pop of colors down here, and just all like it's everything goes together. 24/7. That's 24/7 right there. And that is very like, look at that. The opacity on these like shadows, I'm just blown away. As you all know, I have the Juvia's Place palettes, and those shadows are like, that's opacity city. Like, that's opaque city. So, you know, if anything that's not like the Juvia's Place palette, I'm messing with. So, go ahead and do this teal color down here. Teal color, and then, what is this? I'm going to do Pool Party, and I'm going to do Twerk, which is that really purple color. So, this is Twerk. The purple one is Twerk, and the other one is Pool Party. Oh my gosh. So, as you would imagine, I am too excited to start playing with these colors, to start using these colors for neutrals. I think this palette is good for me because it'll get me to use more neutral colors. I have a tendency to do very dramatic looks. I'll be like, yeah, I'm gonna do a neutral look today. And then when I'm done with the look, it's extremely dramatic, or it has some type of pop of color to it. And it's never just neutral shades, you know? It's always some type of pop of color. So I think this will be good for me to train myself to actually do neutral shades, and to actually do neutral looks. Because I don't do neutral looks, let's be so real here. So yeah, I just think this will be a good thing for me. So as of right now, I'm in love with it. I cannot wait to start doing makeup looks with this matte color. So I'm too excited about this palette. So yeah, cannot wait, you guys. I cannot wait. I have my eye on other palettes too, but let's take them one step at a time. Gotta take it one step at a time. Slowly but surely, like, I'm already a makeup addict, so y'all know how to go. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my Ulta haul, and I appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate all the love that I got for Vlogmas. Wasn't really sure how that was gonna go. So yeah, I am too excited to see what 2018 is gonna bring us, this channel, this platform. I love you guys' comments. You guys are wonderful. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell to get notified every time I upload. I'm going to be doing looks with that Jaclyn Hill palette. So excited. Yeah, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys can, share my channel with your friends and family to get them watching. I would love that. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, whoever's a makeup lover here, I am going to be giving away a Jaclyn Hill palette. So once I hit 1,000 subscribers, yeah, I've already got like all that in my brain of what giveaway I want to do. So, and I will see you guys later, and love you guys. Bye.